Hey guys, Monday, July 29th, 2024. Let's see what the Black Widow did today. I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to use my Elliott Wave program, and there's a couple of things I want to show you that I'm finding interesting. First off, see this little black thing right here? This is what it looks like when we are oversold and consolidating and now waiting for a possible turn to the upside. So now we're in the beginning stages of that. It applies also when we hit, tops. Get very toppy, get the black line, and it's just a matter of time when they hit it hard. And that's what happened here. So it just kicked in, you could say pretty much 729, 730. Next thing is these cycles I have here. One of these bottom out around August 14, August 13, 14. This is an interesting date around here on a Gann's technique, so I want to keep you posted on that. August 13, August 14 is it's in cluster also with these cycles that I'm watching. Next thing is time clusters. As you can see, I get confused with my indicator here. First one we had was 7-8, 7-18. This one looked promising, but it was a dead cat bounce. The next one we have is 8-13. Remember 8-13, 8-14. There's clusters here. One against theories and some of the time clusters here. And the next one you want to watch is 8-20. So keep those on a sticky note, put them on your computer, and watch price action. So we cover the Stokes. The oscillators are kind of choppy, but very to the downside. And I think that's it. We'll leave it at the Stokes. Next thing here is, let's look at for those that don't know, this green line is the seasonality. You can see that from here, 7.3, it should be trending higher into August, September. But that hasn't happened. We've just been down, and now we're hitting red, which is very, very overextended, very oversold. And this moving average is a DMI, so the system is that if you get to cross above this on a fourth wave, the probabilities are high that it's going to turn. But, it's kind of mixed because that's the signal for the reversal. If we put our indicators here, you see that here, on the 22nd high volatility, you can see that it picked that peak here. The Lips technique shows you the high volatility points. And this one came down. This one, the 26, wasn't really much. I mean, it looks like a low as of right now because these are closes. And the one that's going to be interesting is going to be A2. I've been watching A2. That's the halfway point from the 611 high of 315. So there's clusters there. And the system shows you that if you could break above the linear regression channel and close above the moving average, displaced moving average, then there's a chance that maybe the turn is in. But don't forget the gap fill. I still stress it. If it's going to fill that gap fill, it's going to give us head fakes and fill it. And even also here, the timing point is also indicating 8-13. So we could kind of go sideways. She'll do her thing, a little head fakes, and maybe August 2nd, August 13, maybe turn, fill the gap fill. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. So let's get all this stuff off. Still in the linear regression channels. Volatility, watch out for August 2nd. And seasonality is all pointing up. Let's get this off. And let's put our Elliott wave. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4 hasn't penetrated. In regards to close, it hasn't really gotten in there. It's the low today was what, 199 or 166? I can't remember. And the high was 210. We opened at 205 or 206 today's candle. So I don't know. We'll see. Technically hasn't really violated this, but if it's going to fill the gap, I think it's going to violate it. So it's going to be interesting how the count is. You can see now we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now an A, B, C into a fourth wave. And I think we're we're getting close. We just have to watch for volume. We got to see demand. And I don't know what the catalyst is going to be, but it's one of those things you just have to really watch over a hawk and put your alerts so it could wake you up or trigger whatever and set your risk. Is anything else I want to show you? I think that's it. I don't want to make this video too long. Hey, look at that. 13. Profit taking index. So the probabilities of wave 4 until wave 5 is diminishing. It couldn't even stay above 35. So it's getting weaker and weaker. But so far, showing signs of a bottom like here. We got to just wait for the reversal to come. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.